Hello viewers, welcome to FinStreet. If you also are following our channel, and you must have seen how we are always up to date with providing you with the latest projects of the cryptocurrency world, then this video is also for you if you like knowing about different projects, because in today's video we will be telling you about a very interesting cryptocurrency exchange that you can use for spot trading, and not only spot trading but with a couple of options that they have in derivatives trading as well. And we're not just talking about futures and options, but they have a number of features available which are very interesting, which are very innovative. So if you want to know about all these options and which exchange we're talking about today, stay tuned till the end of this video. But before beginning, a small request: if you like our content, make sure to like and share this video with all the cryptocurrency lovers, and while subscribing to our channel, make sure to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that's about such innovative exchanges. So without any further delay, let's begin. That we are talking about Delta Exchange today, and we won't be explaining you here one-on-one, but rather we'll be taking you on the portal, and along with us you should also go on the portal of Delta Exchange and see all the options that we're talking about today. So you'll find a link in the description. Do click on that link and you'll be redirected to the Delta Exchange's official portal, and we'll explain you in detail on what this exchange is about, how it's so innovative, how its customer support is very strong, and the number of services that they provide are very much innovative. So without any delay, just click on the link and let's go to the portal of Delta Exchange and learn more about it. So once you've clicked on the link provided by us in the description, you will be transferred to Delta Exchange's portal, and this would be the screen that will come in front of you once you open the portal. So we'll explain you a couple of features about Delta Exchange and how it's functioning, and how its user face as well is really user friendly, and the interface that they've used is again very user friendly. So without any delay, let's begin on what all Delta Exchange is providing to all its users. Initially, we'll tell you about a couple of its features. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see its features right in front of you. First of all is the Robo strategy trading that they provide, which is a very innovative derivative tradings that is provided by very few exchanges, and Delta Exchange is one of them that provides Robo strategy trading as a service to all the cryptocurrency users. Then a very common service provided by this exchange is futures, that you can trade in futures in this particular exchange, and this is one of the best rated exchange by the cryptocurrency users when it comes to futures and options as trading. So you can definitely explore the options of futures when you want to trade in Delta Exchange. Then third option is options itself, that you can trade in options as well in this trade. Spot trading is a very common type of trading, and that is also available in Delta Exchange. And then comes spreads and interest rate swaps, which are again very innovative types of different tradings. Now they'll tell you some features on why you should choose Delta Exchange. It's the best place to trade innovative cryptocurrency derivatives. And why is it so? They've given 4 reasons to you, and that work very well when you want to choose an exchange. So first of all, they've given us very innovative products, such as you can trade in futures, options and IRS on Bitcoin and more than 50 other altcoins, and the amount of leverage you can do here is up to 100x. This means that the amount of profits that you can get from this exchange is really good amount, and by leveraging up to 100x on more than 50 altcoins as well as on Bitcoins, you can choose to trade in futures, options and IRS on a number of cryptocurrencies. Then how safely and securely it works is another factor that makes this exchange very innovative, that this enterprise grade multi-factor security for digital assets is something that Delta Exchange provides, and all the withdrawals are processed with manual reviews, which makes it even more secure. So hence using Delta Exchange is totally safe and totally secure. Then comes the third option, that it's institutional grade exchange. This means that the powerful matching engine is complemented by intuitive interface and advanced order types and lightning fast APIs. The technology used behind this particular exchange is latest and is very much advanced, and all the people, all the trades who using this exchange, all the traders will get really fast results, and the trades are executed within seconds, and the results are also, whatever trade you want to execute, you get it within a fraction of seconds. Then comes 24/7 support. Not a lot of exchanges that you would deal with would provide you 24/7 support, but Delta Exchange is one that has a dedicated trader tested support team, which is available 24/7, 365 days a year across multiple channels. So you can understand that an exchange who's working so well, who's dealing in a couple of innovative products, some new products, and some new services that's providing to the cryptocurrency market, how important it is for that particular exchange to make sure to provide customer support services to its users. And that is why Delta Exchange has taken this thing into consideration pretty well, and they are doing very much fair amount of work when it comes to Delta Exchange's customer support system. And if you have any question about the customer support system of Delta Exchange, you can look about the FAQs, frequently asked questions, in here, and after reading these frequently asked questions, you will gain more clarity on what Delta Exchange is, what a trading fees is about, and how these the trades are working in the Delta Exchange. Apart from that, if you want to learn a couple of things about Delta Exchange, then here's an option that they have given, that they have a couple of different articles written in their own portal, which will explain you about a number of things that are there in Delta Exchange, so you can learn about different derivatives and trading strategies inside the portal itself, and then start the trading. Apart from this, if you want to know more about Delta Exchange, there's an article on that as well, and how easy it is to create an account here is another very innovative thing. There's just 3-step process that you need to create a free account, deposit your bitcoins or USDT, and then make your first trade. See how easy it is to make an account on Delta Exchange. And in the end, we'd like to tell you about the communities that they're a part of. They are available on Twitter, Facebook, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, YouTube, and many other channels. So whenever there's any latest news by the channel, you can open any one of these platforms, and they must have updated it, and you'll be able to know more about what Delta Exchange's updates are, what technological upgradations they're making, and what all things are available here. So that was more or less about Delta Exchange. If you still have any questions on which you want to understand some more basics about Delta Exchange, feel free to comment below and ask us about it. Alternatively, you can use hashtag #TheCryptoLearnsIndia, and then after using the hashtag #CryptoLearnsIndia, you can ask questions on Twitter as well, and we'll be more than happy to answer you the same. See how amazingly and how exceedingly well the work is being done on Delta Exchange, how a number of options are available for you to choose from, on number of trading options and derivative options that you can choose from, and take your cryptocurrency journey to a next level and be ahead of all the other users in the cryptocurrency market. And if you have any other question, any other query related to the Delta Exchange or any of the options that we talked about today, any of the concepts that you're not clear, so make sure to comment about it below, so because we'd be more than happy to clear all your doubts. And if you're not comfortable commenting, you can use hashtag #IndiaLearnsCrypto and tweet on Twitter, and we'll be again answering to all your queries on Twitter, while you'll be tweeting with hashtag #IndiaLearnsCrypto. That's it for the day, users. If you liked the video, please like and share this with all the cryptocurrency lovers, and while subscribing to the channel, make sure to press the bell icon, so whenever we update or whenever we upload another video related to Delta Exchange or any other exchanges for that matter, you'd be the one who'd be getting the notification at first. Thank you, viewers, for tuning in. We'll be right back with another Cryptocurrency Worlds video very soon.